Hello, welcome back to the channel for today's puzzle. Again, if you want to follow along with me, there is a link down in the description where you can look for the book on Amazon. I do get a small commission. Alright, today we're working on puzzle number 94. Let's start with this column here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 4, 8. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and a 9 here, so this is our 3. We've got a 9 there, so 2, 9. If we do this bottom row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box then, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 2 and a 3. We've got a 3 there. So 2, 3. For this box then, we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 there. So 9, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 2. No help here, so 1, 2, 8. And no help here, so 1, 2, 8. If we work on this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3, 7. And again that 2, 1, 3, 7. Here we've got a 3 and a 7, so 1, 2. And we've got the 3 here and a 7 here, so 1, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 4, 7. 7 and 8 here, so 1, 4. Got a 4 here, so 1, 7, 8. And no help here, up except for that 4 again, so 1, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing a 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 4 here. So 1, 6, 8, 4 and a 6 here, so 1, 8, 6 here, so 1, 4, 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so 1, 4. So that 6 covers these two boxes, and that 6 covers this box, so our 6 must be here. We look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got 2, 3, and 5 here. So this is our 9. And again, the 3 and 5, so this is our 2. We've got a 3 here, so 5. And then this must be our 3. Do any of those help us out anywhere? Nope, not yet. Let's work on this row here. We're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 8 there. So 1, 2, 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2, 8. And a 1, 2, and 6 here, So this is our 8. So we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. That means the only place in this row our 6 can be is here. And we have this 2 here, so this box now must be our 1, and that makes this our 8. That 1 makes this our 2 and 8. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. All right, so we can get rid of these 1s. And these 1s, which means this is our 4 and our 7. And that 1 means this is our 4, so this must be our 1. And we can get rid of these 7s. All right, so if we finish off this top row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 8 and 5. So if we look at this row, then we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering there, so 3, 4. Oh, we've got a 4 and a 9 there. So this is our 3, 4, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 4. So we've got a 1 here. So 2, 4. Oop, that 1 makes this our 2, which makes this our 4 and our 1. And that 1 makes this our 8 and 1. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. So then to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 there. So 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 5 and 7. So there you have it. That was today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.